Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with the 3 top rated episodes of Heartland ever. Do watch this video till the end to know full details. As it turns out, the top 3 rated episodes of Heartland according to IMDb are Season 11 Episode 18 Naming Day, Season 13 Episode 2 Wild One, and Season 13 Episode 5 Fairy Tale, with a rating of 9.4, 9.4 and 9.6 out of 10 respectively. But don't take IMDb's word alone on it, and check out these episodes for yourself either for the first time or for many times. You can stream it for free on CBC Gem. If you aren't in Canada, you can find it on Netflix or other streaming services that carry it in your country. The big storyline of Heartland Season 11 Episode 18 was all about Lindy and her naming ceremony. Because as we all know, each Heartland family member has their own fireplace stone, and it was time Lindy got hers as well. The ceremony was beautiful and the perfect way to end the season, because it featured all Heartland's family members together in one place, happily celebrating each other and their family. However, the events that happened during and around it made it even more special. Before the ceremony, we saw Amy doing Liberty work with Spartan, trying to teach the horse a new trick for Lindy's naming ceremony, because she remembered her mom doing a trick for her own naming day as well. Amy ended up showing the trick to her daughter and the rest of the ballet, Fleming, Maurice, Bowden clan, making the occasion that much more meaningful and memorable. Hearts Run Free is the second episode of Season 13 of Heartland. It aired on September 29, 2019. Amy and Jack round up Wolf's wild horses in a pen so Ty can treat them. Georgie informs her coach that she does not want to train right now as Phoenix is recovering. After Jack's approval, Amy decides to start a cult for Sam, but he chooses one that Amy thinks is too wild to be a good candidate for gentling. He calls the horse Cat after a horse he had when he was young. Amy decides to try to gentle him. Amy asks Sam if he would consider choosing a different cult as he feels he is breaking Cat's spirit, but he decides to stick with him, offering her double the money they had agreed on. And lastly, we loved Amy's little surprise for Ty at the end of the episode. She built a tent next to the foundation of their new home, which somewhat resembled the scene from the Season 9 finale when Amy told Ty that she's pregnant. Only this time around, it was to reassure Ty that no matter what hardships come their way, they will weather them together, and to promise that sooner or later they will get their dream house and the life they have envisioned for themselves in it. A beautiful ending to another amazing episode of Heartland. In Season 13, Episode 5, Fairy Tale, Amy and Ty worry about the impact the surprise visitor will have on Luke. Meanwhile, Georgie bonds with a client horse he is caring for and tries to convince Amy to confront the horse owner about his well-being. Jack helps Tim search for his horse, Champ, who disappeared during the storm. And Lou and Mitch go on a wildly unsuccessful romantic getaway. Fairy Tale was written by Mark Haroon and directed by Eleanor Lindo. The one unexpected thing that the viewers really liked about this episode was the interesting relationship between Andrea and Amy. At the start of the Heartland Season 13 Episode 5, we saw them not really getting along, which mostly stemmed from them not trusting each other. But by the end of it, they had formed a sort of an unlikely friendship. We definitely wouldn't mind seeing Amy and Andrea becoming good friends down the road. The viewers also loved the show's references to fairy tales in this episode. Not only was the episode called Fairy Tale, but all episode, Andrea kept calling Heartland a fairy tale and Ophelia looking like a real-life unicorn only enforced that viewpoint. Luckily, Amy set Andrea straight when she said that fairy tales aren't real. But we have to admit that there have been many times when we thought that Heartland really does look like a fairy tale. And it was nice to hear the show acknowledging that on screen. Do you agree with IMDb's selection for this top rated episode? Do let us know what your favorite episodes of Heartland are, and do these make to your list? When it comes to making Heartland Season 15, production is still going strong and the filming is done till halfway. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.